Master Padma said, Tsogyal, unless you sincerely turn away from striving after samsara, you won't reach the end of meditation practice, though you may feel faith once or twice. Unless you forsake family life and attachment to your homeland, you won't rise above the swamp of samsaric existence, even though you exert yourself resolutely. Unless you untangle yourself from the objects of ego clinging, you won't block the river leading into the 6 classes of beings, even though you understand that the 3 realms have no real substance. Unless you mingle your mind with the path of liberation, you won't be able to bless the experience of others, though you may be learned in the 5 topics of knowledge. Unless you eradicate your own inner faults, the vile zombie, disturbing emotions will rise again, even though you have glimpsed the blissful and clear state of wakefulness.